So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang vanish mode sa ating Instagram chat. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Instagram account or yung ating Instagram chats. So, dito guys, mula sa ating newsfeed ng Instagram, pumunta lang tayo sa messages or sa messenger ng ating Instagram. And dito guys, pumili lang kayo ng isang conversation and then open nyo lang. And then, pagka-open ng isang conversation, itap nyo lang yung profile name or profile picture na nandito sa upper corner. So, ayan guys, after nyo dito sa profile, itatap nyo naman dito is yung privacy and safety. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo dito sa privacy and safety, makikita nyo na agad yung vanish mode. So, kung makikita nyo guys, mayroong switch button sa right side niya. So, ang gagawin nyo lang para ma-enable is i-turn on nyo yung switch button katulad nito. So, ayan guys, once down na naka-enable or naka-turn on ang vanish mode sa isang conversation, lahat ng mga na-seen natin na messages is automatic mabubura yan or mag-disappear once na kino-close natin yung chat dito sa Instagram. So, kung gusto nyo namang i-turn off guys, balik lang ulit kayo dito sa privacy and safety and then i-turn off nyo lang yung vanish mode. So, ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba i-turn on ang vanish mode sa ating Instagram chat. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.